In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do custom CSS on your Wix website. If you've been looking to add a personal touch to your site, or simply want to experiment with some design ideas, this guide is for you. Let's dive into how to effectively incorporate custom CSS using Wix's platform. To kick things off, you'll need a bit of help generating your HTML code paired with CSS. For this task, I recommend using a tool like ChatGPT, which can help you create the necessary code effortlessly. Simply enter your design preferences or requirements, and ChatGPT will generate the HTML code that suits your needs. Once you have this code, keep it handy, as you'll need it in just a moment. Now, head over to the Wix editor. When you're at your Wix dashboard, look for the Add button on the left-hand side of your screen. It's your gateway to enhancing your web page with various elements, including the HTML code we just generated. After clicking the Add button, a menu will pop up with a host of options. What you want to do next is navigate to the Embed section. Here you can find different ways to integrate content from the web into your Wix site. Click on HTML, and this is where it gets exciting because you're about to bring your custom code to life on your web page. Next, drag and drop the HTML container to the spot on your web page where you want the custom code to appear. It's like placing a new piece on a puzzle, except this time, you get to create the picture. Once you've positioned it perfectly, click inside this HTML box. This is where the magic happens. Paste the code you generated earlier into this HTML box. You'll see that within the HTML tag itself, there's a Style section. This is your playground for CSS customizations. Feel free to write your own CSS here if you want to tweak your design further or adjust specific styles until they're just right for your site. A pro tip: while working with CSS, it's always useful to have a second browser tab open displaying your website. This way, you can quickly refresh and view changes in real time. It helps you see how each style adjustment alters the visual appeal of your site instantaneously. This step-by-step process allows your creativity to shine while ensuring your site remains cohesive and visually appealing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time to experiment. Adjusting CSS might initially seem complex, but with practice, you'll navigate it more comfortably and begin to enjoy the creative freedom it offers. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're excited to start customizing your Wix site with CSS. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.